Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain speaking. You are now on a day trip to Bohinj and Bled. The weather today is very clearly and sunny, with a high temperature of 25 degrees for this morning. So please make sure you drink enough water and use sunscreen so you're not gonna be so tanned like me. This is when we were walking around Lake Bled. We met Mr. Artist and we want to get one of his paintings. And then he asked our names and drew us in the back of it. We really like it.
Let's jump.
It's a video.
Ah, hi.
Maybe one picture.